Here are 25 ways to save money during the Christmas season. One, budget in advance. Set a realistic budget for gifts, decorations, food, and other expenses. 2, make a list and check it twice. Plan your purchases and stick to a list to avoid impulse buys. 3, DIY gifts. Get creative and make personalized gifts like homemade baked goods or crafts. 4, Secret Santa. Consider doing a gift exchange with family or friends to reduce the number of gifts you need to buy. 5, shop early. Take advantage of sales throughout the year to spread out your expenses. 6, use cashback or rewards. Utilize credit card rewards or cashback offers while shopping. 7, compare prices. Look for deals online and in stores before making purchases. 8, limit decorations. Opt for simple, reusable decorations or DIY decor. 9, homemade cards. Instead of buying cards, make your own using materials you already have at home. 10, potluck gatherings. Host potluck-style meals for holiday gatherings to share the cost of food. 11, set a gift limit. Establish a spending limit for gifts to avoid overspending. 12, avoid unnecessary expenses. Skip buying new holiday outfits or unnecessary items. 13, utilize free events. Look for free community events like tree lighting ceremonies or concerts for entertainment. 14, use coupons and discounts. Collect coupons and use discount codes while shopping. 15, buy in bulk. Purchase non-perishable items in bulk to save money per unit. 16, regift thoughtfully. If done tastefully, regifting can be a way to save money on presents. 17, consider digital gifts. Ebooks, subscriptions, or online courses can make thoughtful and budget-friendly presents. 18, DIY wrapping. Use newspapers, magazines, or fabric scraps for wrapping gifts instead of buying wrapping paper. 19, limit travel expenses. Try to find the most cost-effective travel options if you're visiting family or friends. 20, avoid last-minute shopping. Last-minute purchases often lead to overspending. Plan ahead to avoid this. 21, opt for experiences. Instead of physical gifts, consider giving experiences like movie tickets or a day out. 22, handmade ornaments. Create your own ornaments instead of buying new ones every year. 23s, homemade treats as gifts. Bake cookies or make homemade jams to give as presents. 24, reconsider gift wrapping services. Save money by wrapping gifts yourself instead of paying for this service. 25, keep track of expenses. Monitor your spending throughout the season to ensure you're staying within your budget. By implementing a few of these strategies, you can enjoy the holiday season without putting too much strain on your wallet. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.